Where should I invest? There are several investment options available in India that can help you achieve your financial goals. Before investing, it is important to analyze your personal financial goals, target corpus, cash flow needs, time horizon, and risk appetite. Once you are clear about your goals, you can design your investment portfolio accordingly. Here are some of the best investment options in India for 2024. Number 1. Public Provident Fund (PPF), a long-term investment option that offers a tax-free return of 7.1% per annum. The minimum investment amount is 500 and the maximum is 1.5 lakh per annum. The lock-in period is 15 years, but partial withdrawals are allowed after 5 years. Second, National Pension System (NPS), a government-sponsored pension scheme that offers a tax benefit of up to 2 lakh rupees under Section 80C. The scheme invests in equity, corporate bonds, and government securities. The returns are market-linked and the lock-in period is till the age of 60. Number 3. Equity Linked System Schemes (ELSS), a tax-saving mutual fund that invests in equity and equity-related instruments. It offers a tax benefit of up to 1.5 lakh rupees under Section 80C. The returns are market-linked and the lock-in period is 3 years. Number 4. Tax Savings Fixed Deposit, a fixed deposit scheme that offers a tax benefit of up to 1.5 lakh rupees under Section 80C. The returns are fixed and the lock-in period is 5 years. Number 5. Mutual Funds, a professionally managed investment option that pools money from multiple investors to invest in stock, bonds, and other securities. The returns are market-linked and the lock-in period varies depending on the type of mutual fund. Number 6. Commercial Real Estate, a long-term investment option that involves investing in commercial properties such as office spaces, retail spaces, and warehouses. The returns are rental income and capital appreciation. The lock-in period is long-term. Number 7. Gold, a long-term investment option that involves investing in physical gold or gold ETFs. The returns are market-linked and the lock-in period is long-term. Please note that the above investment options are subject to market risk. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before investing. Thank you so much.